Hi students, it's Dr. Wynn, good friend. I'm here with a very brief video on how to use Zoom. So I just want to show you how to get into a Zoom session, turn on and off your microphone and your video, how to use the chat function in your classes, and how to get out of Zoom at the end of your session. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to Canvas probably, and all Canvas classes now have a Zoom link available in them. It'll either be on the home page of your Canvas class or it'll be at the top of your modules page. So here you can see at the top of my modules page for my Psych 270 class, there's this thing called Zoom Spring 2020. All you do is just click on that and it'll take you into your Zoom session. The other possible way that you might be getting into Zoom sessions for the rest of this semester is maybe a professor or maybe your advisor emails you a Zoom link. So the email will look like this. It'll have this blue Zoom link on it, and you just click on that when you have the prearranged time to meet with your professor. And your professor will be clicking on the same link basically, and that's how you'll join the same session. So either through Canvas or through your email link. Okay, once you click on either of those, you'll see a screen that looks like this. It'll ask you, how are you going to be joining the session? And basically the default is join with your computer audio. So that's just the mic built into your laptop. If you're using something like a fancy headset mic, then you'll use the test speaker and microphone for the other thing. But for most of us, it'll be just click on join with computer audio. Okay, so then once you're in Zoom, you'll start with this. It's a black screen. It has some buttons that you can click on the bottom to change your interaction. So the first two and the most important will be the ones at the bottom left of your screen. So that'll look like this. You'll have your mute button and you'll have your start video button. So if you want it to just stay black screen, then you don't click on the start video. The default is that the video is not on, but probably for classes and for interacting with your professor, you're just gonna wanna click on this start video function. So you'll click on that and then your camera will be on. If you want to talk, then you unmute yourself, but in general, you want to keep your microphone muted because if there are multiple people on the Zoom session at any given time, there should only be one or two people who have their microphone on because otherwise it gets really loud and there's a lot of feedback. So the default should usually be camera on, but microphone off. Okay, just a couple other things you might want to know. There is a little chat icon here. If you click on that, what will happen is on the side of your screen, you'll get this white box that comes up over here. That's your Zoom group chat, and that's where you can do things like say, hey, Dr. X, I have a question, or you can just type your question out, or your professor might ask you a question, and this is how you can respond by typing it out as opposed to unmuting your microphone. So what you want to know about the chat function is that you click on that little chat button down at the bottom of your screen to get this to appear. Anyone can do that. And then once you're in it, at the bottom of that little chat window, you'll see this menu that says, to whom am I sending my chat? So the default is to everyone. So whatever you type in, the whole Zoom session will be able to see. But let's say that you want to send something just to your professor. So you can click on this to button and then everyone who's in the session will pop up and you just click on the name of your professor or maybe another student and then it'll just go to them. Okay, the last thing is that when you're done with your meeting, you just click on the thing at the very bottom right hand corner of your screen that says end meeting and you're all done. Good luck.